Hello and welcome to another stream. Um, I am actually not continuing Powers Fighter. I decided to switch gears to recreate Cards of Wonder in Unity. I've been enjoying the Unity development, and yeah, I've just been enjoying it, and I was hoping to share that experience with everyone. So that's what I will be doing. Um, uh, Before we get started, I did want to show that Powers Fighter is available in multiple different ways. This is a really rough draft beta. I made it for this game jam here um, that I'm displaying on the screen, and um, you can give it a try. I have it available in web, as you see right here, and there is also a mobile build or a Windows build or whatnot. So I'll show you what we created. Um, wow, that was loud. I don't know if it was loud for you guys. It was loud for me. So luckily, I created this master volume, so I could decrease that. I can actually just decrease the music volume too. But it doesn't save. So when I switch scenes, it might be loud again. Anyways, hello, Kevin. Yeah, it was a little bit. Okay. So we'll pick our characters, and I created me, W. Giorgio, right here. I thought it kind of looked like Eminem, but whatever. So I'll show you me. We don't need that anymore. Here's Will Giorgio. I have a gun, even though I don't use it. I have like these red Jordans like thing, and I'm in a sweatsuit. I mean, I wear sweats a lot. I don't know about sweatshirts, only in the winter, but whatever. um, oh, it looks like oh yeah, I forgot I decreased the sound on this one, but the video doesn't work for some odd reason, and also this is being cut off here. I know. Um, so I don't know what's going on there, but anyways, you just click on any of these attacks. That was a tie. It looked like I lost there. Yeah, I lost the whole thing. Uh, and you would see these skulls go up here. We can try it again. Yeah, it didn't save my volume. Okay, let's be Charity. All right. Ooh, I'm powered up, and I got the first hit. Look at that. So, powered up, you click on the power up. Boom! Shakalaka. Oh, look at that. I won with Charity. Nice. So, yeah, that's the whole game. I mean, it was fun building it. I just didn't think it would, uh, in the end, make me any money. So I decided I was going to rebuild this Cards of Wonder instead. Um, since it was a big hit, Cards of Wonder was, or it still is, I guess, in the Alexa community, I figured why not bring it to everywhere else, right? So for tonight, we're going to start off doing a how we're going to build this because I haven't built this in Unity ever. And building in Unity is way different than building with straight up code, right? Uh, there's a lot more. Um, did you screenshot it? Oh, you screenshot your win. Nice. Uh, um, what was I saying? I got distracted. Oh, um, so it's a lot different building for in Unity. I figured I would document how we're going to build it. Um, Starting out with the basics, I have some of this already done or started, so you know, we'll still go over it. Um, let's do a to do not to do list, a needs list. Oops, am I typing? Needs list. Hello, Mardigan. Welcome. All done streaming for the night? All right. So we need a needs list, or we have a. We're going to build a needs list. First off, we need. Let's say. I thought I was going to sneeze. I still might. We're going to need. Wow, you have a lot of points here too, huh? Oh, that sucks, Mardigan. I'm sorry to hear that. Um, bless me. Thanks. Um, so we need all the cards data, right? All of the cards, each one of them has data. And I have this lovely spreadsheet already started. This isn't full because there's like 147 and I believe I have 160 some cards. So this isn't complete yet. Um, but so far, what I've populated it with is the name of the card ID, the card type, how many battle points is it worth, um, or does it have, the background of the card, and the card character. I'll show you that stuff here in a minute. Then we need the images, actually, right now. Uh, so we need the images processed. So luckily, I just went through all of my cards and recreated them all. So, but now I need to process all the images, meaning I need to have, if we go back to here, I need the backgrounds as a JPEG and I need the characters as a PNG. The character should have underscore and then character after it, and the background underscore background a part of it. So I need to process them. And what I mean by that is just like this. So we have a background here, and we have the character. So I am creating these separately so we can do some fun stuff with it, right? We can make it more 3D, the character more 3D. Um, and then we can do different things with the background too. We can make it shiny, we can make it all gold, whatever. We can do tons of different things with both of these images if they're separate. Um, so I need to process all the images. Um, I am going to need some type of database. I believe I already have this covered with Easy Save, so I think we should be able to work with that. Um, uh, but we might still need it. Um, and I just say build it. We just need to build the game. Um, I'm guessing there's going to be more stuff we're going to be adding to this later, but I don't know if I have Gamble on. Do I have Gamble on? Oh, I do have Gamble on. Never mind. Um, okay, so we got our needs list started. Um, Next, I wanted to like break down how we're going to build this. Um, uh, Build to dos. How about that? We'll make it a bullet list too, so it's nice and pretty. I suppose I can make this a little bit bigger for everyone. That's a little bit better. Build build to dos. Build list to dos. Whatever. Um, so we will need a a start scene. I have many ideas with this, and uh, so I guess we'll uh, describe the start scene. Start scene is going to be more like a mobile app. So even if played on a full screen, um, uh, we're gonna have like icons down here, and and they will go to different things. So uh, if you haven't played it before, or if you haven't heard me say this before, um, a lot of my um, a lot of this game is based on a favorite card game I play, which is called Marvel Snap. Uh, the the biggest differences that the way you play Marvel Snap and this is totally different. This the Cards of Wonder is mostly based off of random cards, um, but and that the other one is you build your deck. Um, and I will have it where you can build your deck in here, but it will you will be limited to certain things. So you couldn't stack your deck with all epics or all rare cards. Uh, it would be like you can have only, I don't know, uh, two epics, four rares, uh, uh, 10 uncommon, and the rest, no, that's probably too little. Five uncommon and or eight uncommon, and then the rest common, something like that. So it's more fair. But anyways, I'm digressing. So startup scene. So we're gonna have what we're gonna have on there. We're gonna have um, store, um, cards, battle, computer, battle, player. I mean, what I want for this to happen is to this be real time. So if you battle a player, it's real time, like Marvel Snap, or you can just battle the computer, like most trading card games out there. Um, and then maybe events tab or button or something like that. Events or um, loyalty tab button. I'm just spitballing ideas. If you have any ideas, please throw them at me. I'm all open for everyone's ideas. Oops. Okay, we got the start scene done. Then we have the battle scene. This is a high overview of what it should entail. Um, so I plan on having it like I do in my Alexa game, where it is you have decks of cards on both sides. It just looks like a deck of cards, so it's just multiple images of your cards, and then it'll be the cards that are randomly flipped off of your deck. That your card and then your person you're battling's card, and um, so yeah, I don't know how to outside to inside. Uh, Deck of cards, single played card. Um, and then I plan on like having some type of um, animation and a what is it called? Like a not sprites, but sparkly stuff. Uh, I'll just put animation. Battle animation. Okay, and then on top to bottom, so I went from outside to inside. Now I'm doing top to bottom. So top, we're gonna have um, Uh, coin, coins, your money, uh, your name, um, the combatant, combat, combatant. Is that right? Combatant, combatant. I don't know if that's the right word. Um, holographic. Are you talking about in the middle? No, not exactly. I'm like, like sparks or flames or that's what I was trying to get at, which is called something. But we do need holographic cards. Okay, so combatant, uh name, and that's all we need on oh, that's that's all top. uh uh card row, and then on the bottom, your card name, patents. I obviously am spelling this right since it's not giving me an error. So I'm just gonna have display the your card name and the combatant's card name underneath the cards. Um, are we missing anything? I don't think so. Maybe also on the top one to even this out is have a settings um, icon. So we have your coins, your name, combatant's name, and a settings icon on the top. Then we have the cards row, and then your card name right underneath your card, and then right underneath your combatant's card, their their name. I don't like combatant's word. Usually, I do like enemy or um, I don't know. Uh, so that is the battle scene. Um, so both of these are going to be the battle scene. Uh, how should we have our cards? So, um, how I what the new version of my cards for Cards of Wonder in Alexa, I had filters. So I had all the cards being displayed, um, and I had filters that you could use to see what cards you want to see. It worked great. Um, should we do that? I think so. Let me know your thoughts on that. Um, all cards viewed, and we would have, I don't know, let's say 4 wide, maybe 3 wide, depending on the you know real estate we're working with. Um, and then it just continues to scroll down downwards. Um, okay, so that's pretty much it. Gosh, I can't do this. Card scene. Store and events, I think I'll come back to. And then I wanted to type out how I'm going to create these cards because I need to actually think about how I'm going to create these cards. So this is more for me before I start creating them. So um, cards. We're just going to say cards. Uh, top level card. Uh, game object. And within that, we're going to have the background, character, and then the frame. So the frame around a card. I should have got my cards out to reference. I don't have any fancy cards or anything like that. Uh, Mardigan, if you're still on, I'm sure you would recognize uh, these. So with a normal um, trading card game, you have some type of number on it. The name, man, why can't we do this? Okay, the name of the card, what it is, so the type of card, and then we have a description box. So, um, what you can do with the card. So, within this frame, we are going to have the battle points, name of card. I don't think I'm going to need the ID of the card. That's more of programmably use. So the ID is not very useful. The name of the card, the type or race, um, of the card, of the character. Type or race of the character. And then, so one of the things that I actually never implemented in my game was random events. These random events can either affect you positively or negatively. Also, I was thinking of you getting these events either on your card once you level them up to a certain thing. So they still could have a negative effect. So you probably wouldn't usually take it. Then I won't like that. So I'm thinking that the I'm thinking that I should just have random events still, and that possibly would kind of like on Marvel Snap, going back to Marvel Snap, uh, you have lanes, and each lane can affect your card or not affect your card. It's kind of like that, except it's going to be an event either on the entire playtime or the entire or just that card that you play. That round, I should say. So I'm thinking for the stuff that is on the cards, that should be it, right? So let me know your thoughts on that, if we should add more or not. Ooh, it's a pretty one. This one has some shine to it. Can you see that? Um, I'm just looking at these to see if I uh, missed anything. And we can, I might change some of the game mechanics as I build this game to make it more um, attractable to some people. But it's still going to be pretty easy to play. I don't want it to be hard to play to like not for people to not understand it, and that's why I did it the way I did. So all right, I don't see anything um, sticking out on these cards. So all right, so we got um, that uh, almost done. Um, and then we have animations or effects. That's what the word I was looking for is effect. Some type of effect happening. Uh, animations and effect layer on your cards. And this isn't specifically the order. It could be an effect just on the character. It could be on the background, like I said before. It could be on the frame. Uh, Plenty of things that we can play with here. Right? Okay. Cool. So the boring part is all done. But this is going to help me focus pretty great. A lot. Um, and I think I'm going to have to create a few more cards here. So if you guys are all for it, I'm going to open up a few cards. Oops. Dang it. A lot of cards. All right. This shouldn't take too long. And it's a little artsy, not too much. First, I'm going to merge these layers. I'm going to remove the shadow because I want to have the shadow um, as its. I want to create a shadow within the game if I feel like it's necessary. All right. So it's going to take a long time if I have to type this all out, but I don't know. We'll see. And then I'm going to save this as a JPEG. I have an underscore in background, just like that. I'm going to save this. Interesting. We got a chest way up here. What is this chest doing here? I don't know. That seems random. Export it as a PNG. I know the Control Shift Alt S will bring you to save as web. Save for web. Background. Yep, that looks good. Um, I do not. I did not see. Oh crap! Whew. Thought I copied a blank. Um, I don't. There. I don't think there is one just to save export as a PNG. I mean, I can get a PNG from here, but then I would have to modify the drop down, and I don't want to do that. Okay, save that. Merge. I wonder if there's a faster way to merge. Anyone know how to do that? Merge a bunch of selected layers. I wonder if Control M would do that. We'll try it on the next one. It's a little tedious, but it doesn't take too long. Well, it's not M or Control M. It's not. It's not Alt Shift or anything like that. Oh, we got an aura. We need that on the background. I just moved them over because it was too far to one side. Anyways, export. What screen should we see? This is a Photoshop right here. If that's what you're asking. I'm just doing a some save or creating up some assets. I wonder if it would be faster. I already did this one. Wonder if I should. Um, what was I gonna do? Oh, I don't think this is called Demon Spawn. Crap. Is that who that's supposed to be? I made her with dark hair now. Demon 2. So my thought process is to do all the characters first. Then I can then I can huh. Anyways, and then I can do all the backgrounds at once. Because then I can just copy my background verbiage instead of typing it out all the time. That makes sense. Hmm. Well, this is an interesting one. Okay. Pretty sure her name isn't Death either. So if you just coming in, I am creating all my some of my characters um, for the cards, and um, just so I have some to work with. So I'm merging these together, then exporting the characters as PNGs, and then the backgrounds as JPEGs. All right, so we got that. Now we are going to save all the backgrounds. I'm going to copy this so I can save it everything else faster. Now, a lot of these images are at different uh, pixel sizes. We're just gonna try to make do with what they are. I think they should be, no matter what, fine. Um, but we'll see how it works. We'll see how it goes, right? um, what am I doing? Did I ever say this? I was staring at that way too long because that my mind was racing. I need to find out what I named Day of the Dead Death. Pretty sure death is, yeah, I don't know. I think it was a holiday card. I'm gonna put this over here for a second. You know what? I think it is. in here. Oh, okay. Double gold one? No, that's not it. Just death. Unknown. Rainbow 2. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Unknown. Rainbow 2. I guess that's what it'll be. Uh, Here is the card, by the way. And that was Lady Death. But this is just death. So do we have unknown death right here? Unknown rainbow 2. Yep, that's what it says. Okay. Explore PNG. Nope. It's not death. Unknown. Did I say I did save? I'm pretty sure I saved this. And this is not called Day of the Dead. Got a demon butt. I don't know what that was. There. I don't know. Anyways, back. Okay. Save that one. I'll come back to Day of the Dead one. Right. So long. Almost done. All right, so this one, Might as well put it in here. I don't think there was any. Oh, there was. There we go. What is this rare? What is this? This rare? No. Battle points is 3. Oh, I also need this is not card type. This is I need the okay. But this is rare. 3. All right, cool. Now let's go back to here. Um so I'm gonna butcher it, but ain't Angel, Angel. I can't even say it right. Cialo is means angel of death, I believe. So that's what this character is, if you're wondering. X. Excuse me. All right. So we got a bunch of cards just done, but I noticed something in my um, in here. I need to insert column left. Why? Why isn't it working? We'll just type it into here. So we have the ID, the name, we have the images, the rarity. So that's what we mislabeled it. Then the type. Also, probably the number of the card as well. Um, so 4 out of 5, 4 out of 100, whatever. So this is card. You can just call this rarity instead of card rarity. And then we'll just have this as type and number of card. I want that over there. I'll keep this down back there. Nope, I want it right here. Um, and I'm going to just put in some. Oh, axe magic and axe magic. I'm missing cloak. Cloak, cloak, magic. All right, I have a spear. I think that's it. So cloak, magic, spear. I'm just putting these in for everything. These are incorrect, but they will work for now. So then same with this. Wow. That's not what I wanted. Why can't it increment? Oops. Format. Huh? No, there we go. I have a bunch of fours. Now it works. All right. And then we're going to file. How do we export? Download. CSV. All right. Now we're finally opening up Unity. What time is it, anyways? 9:17. Yeah, we're gonna finally open up Unity. Um, we're gonna create it. This is gonna be the game. Um, game. What is it gonna be? The game loader game. Sure, we'll just call it game loader. It doesn't really matter. But I want to. So I put in a bunch of assets that I probably am not going to use most of these, but we're still um, we can take out stuff later too. Um, a folder called data. Go and finder. Oops. Uh, oops. Drag that into here. While I'm at it, might as well create a called cards. Here's all my cards, but for now, I just want these right here. Oops. I'm gonna just move those ones, and yeah. All right, so we got, oh, excuse me, we got those two, all that data set up. So now we can start seeing if we can find that data. But before that, we need to create an FSM. So this is called FSM, which is a Playmaker state management, something state management. It's how I've been creating games. So yeah, that's the best way to say it. It's kind of like a visual visual coding. You still need to know some coding ideas and logic, how to do logic, but you don't actually have to write the code itself. So it's kind of neat. Anyways, I am looking for data. What's it called? Data Maker. Read CSV. Upload. CSV source. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. What the heck? Oh, I don't think this is the right one. I've never used this before, so I was trying to remember by looking at something. I think we might have to take a break while I figure this out. So I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. Hopefully everyone had some time to, I don't know, stretch or get something to drink. Whatever. I did also. And we got a decent amount done. So, or figured out. Excuse me. Um, that's not what I want. I'll tell you what I'm doing here in a second. Okay, so here I'm reading the data that we've created with a CSV, comma separated values, and then I'm reading the data that I had stored in card data right here. So we should be able to run this, and nope, no, we shouldn't. Okay, so custom actions, files, and JSON files. Oh, go to here. It read the file, and we have 147 count. Um, and yeah, so you can see all this data right on here. That's the data. Excuse me. Now we can do something with that data. We'll do something in here. So, um, okay, we want to get field by key, and we're gonna use that reference name. And then, actually, let's um, let's get all the card names. Okay. So that's the key is the heading. Card names. Sure. Let's see if that works. It did not. Oh, maybe I need column index. Not column key. Yeah, I had the wrong one. Column key. There. Now, card names. It is card names, right? Card name. Oops. This will be card names. Then use it. There. All right. How about that? There we go. Now we got all of the data right in here. All of the data. That's pretty cool. Except we don't need all of the data, right? We need uh, a um, we need a single record. Um, single. Hit fields by record, maybe. So let's see what we got there. Um, we're gonna still use this reference name variable. I'm just gonna get the first record, see what it uh, comes up with. I'm gonna save it as a card. Okay, that's all we're gonna do. So it is a Bard human 1 common axe has 1 human 1 and the the thing. Uh, hey, a Dragon Spirit Games. Good morning. For me, it's nighttime, but I'm guessing you're on the opposite side of the world. So yeah, good morning. Thanks for stopping in. Uh, so yeah, we actually got a single row, and this is powerful, right? Why you say? Now we can actually create a card. Um, um, I don't know if we'll get to it completely tonight, but we're gonna try. We're gonna try. Um, so going back to my cards. So how about Celestial One? Where is my cards? Celestial One. I wanna. Uh, I don't have Celestial One in here. Interesting. This is not called Celestial. Okay, we're gonna do Celestial 2. So, uh, crap. How did I have it? Okay, Celestial 2. I have two Celestial 3s, so this is not accurate at all. Which I'm pretty sure my other data is correct. But there's the one that we need. So this is on line 84. And so we are -1. So it's 83, 82. So let's see. Let's go back to here and get uh, the 82nd record. Hey, look at that. Celestial 2. So we have this images created. That's why I wanted to go here. Um, and now, uh, Netherlands. Indeed, it's 4 o'clock. Wow. I am making a trading card game. Um, it's a more of a battle trading card game. There isn't going to be actually the trading part of the game. Uh, I've pondered that many times, but I am actually basing my game off of the game called um, Marvel Snap. If you haven't played it before, um, if you haven't, I would give it a try, and you can kind of see where I'm pulling that stuff from. Um, I just realized I was in play mode, so I almost didn't make what I was trying to make. But anyways, but yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. And Kevin, we used to do a podcast together, so we just stopped our podcast on Tuesdays, like 3 weeks ago. So yes, it is more of a collectible card game. Correct. Okay, so yeah, you'll see at least that's what I'm going for. Hopefully, you'll see it eventually. What I'm striving to do. Okay, yeah, 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 yeah. I mean, I've played every Marvel game there is, so uh, throw it at me. I played it. I'm a huge Marvel fan. Um, I'm wearing a Star Wars shirt, but I mean, I I have Marvel stuff everywhere. So, but All right. How am I gonna do this? Uh, um, Dragon Spirit. You make a Unity games as well, don't you? I believe you were making Unity games. Correct me if I'm wrong. So, yes, 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 yes. Now I'm remembering that. I think I've talked to you about that before. Um, Very cool. Awesome. Love it. So how is the weather in Netherlands? It is pretty warm here. I'm in Chicago area. What am I doing? I'm uh do I want to do a plane? I don't know. This is like the first time creating this, so I have no idea what I'm doing. Um uh I kind of feel like I should do a plane, but I kind of feel like I shouldn't. Almost wondering if I wanted to use a just a UI image, but I don't think that's right either. Hmm. And oops, cool. I was hoping that was available. That looks like 90, right? See. We'll play around with these things, but that looks good for now. We're gonna add another plane. Once again, I have no idea if this is correct. Wait, I said add another one. Oh, oh, I already did. I'm a dork. I should have just actually. I don't have the frame yet, but oh, we'll see if that works. I do not follow Kristen Stein on Twitch. Nice. I will definitely do a follow to him. Sorry, my the text is all the way up my other screen. What subject are you talking about, Kevin? Anyways, excuse me. All right. So we have a card built, right? Kevin, you shut up. You know, you're amazing. Um, I don't have to put up with anything. It's not on the other side of the room, but I have two 32-inch screens, and it's at the far edge of my other screen. So that's my excuse. All right, focus now. I wanted to at least get one card working. Uh, where is the main camera? It's not pointed at my card, and we need it pointing at my card. Where are you? Where is it? Way over yonder. Ah, crap. Where's my camera again? Love working in a 3D 3D space. I have no idea where anything is. I probably should learn the snap too. Um, I haven't been. Obviously, you can tell I haven't been. I don't know what I'm really doing in here, but um, there is a thing in Blender where you can snap to a certain point, and that's what I need to figure out. Okay, we're almost there now. Instead of bringing the the camera to the card, I'm bringing this card to the camera. Yeah, thanks for stopping by, Dragon Spirit. Oh, I see it. I see it. Almost there. Oh, crap. Went too far. There we go. Perfect. Whew. Okay. Now we can try to make this appear, right? Okay. So we get the record. We have the card right here. Now, oh, excuse me. Um, Now I need to do something with that data. I just need one field by the key, I believe. So once again, we're going to still use that ref. The record is 82. And then I want card background. And we're just going to do one at a time to see if it actually works. Um, and card background. Okay. And then we are going to um, set the material. Lead. This on the bottom. This specify game object. I want background. And material. Hey. Oh. Why can't I? Hmm. Huh. It won't let me grab it from this field. String. Whoa. Card. 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 Why can't I? Hmm. Oh, I don't think it's material. Okay, since this is taking forever, let's try doing a image. Liking it. Yeah, this is not right. Not right. How do I convert a... Oh, I think I need set image texture. I think that's the thing I want. Where'd it go? All the way on top. Come on, eh? I don't know. We'll just try it. All right. So let's see. So that grab the background. I converted it into a string, but I'm not seeing the material actually being set. It's something. It's not exactly correct, but it's something. Why is this one grayed out? I might have to play around with this set material more. I don't know what that is. Hmm. I don't know how I did it before. Oh boy. Yeah, I think this is where I say adieu and try to figure this out for next time to how to set this material. I might be saving it in the CSV incorrectly also. So, excuse me. Not really sure there. Ooh, possibly. Um, I'm gonna, I'm gonna try one more thing. You see how it has .jpeg there? I wonder if I just have it set as Celestial 2. Just try this. If that doesn't work, I'm still gonna call it a night. But I just wanted to try this. Yeah, it didn't work. So, oh, I don't know what that was. Yeah. All right. Uh, Thanks everyone for watching this or watching this in the future. If you're enjoy this content, please give me a like and subscribe, all that kind of stuff. Um, Also, leave me a comment on anything that I've that you thought I should cover, or that you noticed that I skipped accidentally or didn't, whatever, you know. Um, and yeah, so I'll be back on next Wednesday, and we're gonna hit this again. We'll see where we're at with my knowledge set, and yeah. So have a good night or good morning, and see you next time. Bye, everyone.